Hello students, welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Today I am going to explain you Supplementary 4 from your Vistas book, The Enemy, written by Paul S. Berg. Now let us understand the background of this story. The story takes place on a coastal town of Japan in the year 1941 when Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, a war going on between America and Japan. Japanese were hostile to the Americans and ready to kill any American found in their soil. So this war was a part of Second World War. Now let us understand the theme of this chapter. The enemy gives the message that humanism transcends all man-made prejudice and barriers. Dr. Sadao upholds the ethics of medical profession in treating an enemy. The story is a great lesson of peace, love, sympathy, fellow feeling and humanism. Now let us understand the introduction of this chapter. The story highlights how a Japanese doctor saves the life of an American prisoner of war and rises above narrow national prejudices. He risks his honor, career, position, and life by sheltering a war prisoner of the enemy camp and saving his life. The author has beautifully portrayed the conflict in the doctor's mind as a private individual and as a citizen with a sense of national loyalty. So, national prejudices, that means hatred between the two groups, two countries, especially during the war. Now, let us understand the characters of this chapter. The first and very most important character is Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao was a Japanese doctor and surgeon. The second character is Hana. Hana was Dr. Sadao's wife. And the third character is Tom, who was a soldier. Tom was an American soldier who was found by Dr. Sadao in wounded condition near his house. And the last character is Army General. Army General was a general of Japan Army. Now let us understand the summary of this chapter. The story is set in the times of World War II, that means between 1939 to 1945. Dr. Sadao is a Japanese doctor who is an expert surgeon and scientist. He found an American prisoner of war at his threshold. Threshold means the outside place of the house, who is bleeding and is in a dying state. Initially, Dr. Sadao and his wife Hana thought of throwing the unconscious man back into the sea, but could not do so. So here, one night when Sadao and Hana were enjoying the view of the sea from their veranda, they saw something black coming out of the mist. It was a man. They thought that he was a fisherman who was washed away from his boat, but when they went near, they realized that it was a young white man who was wounded and bleeding. Sadao wanted to throw the man back into the sea, as he had now realized that he was an American prisoner of war from his camp. Hana also agreed. He was torn between his moral duty as a doctor, which urged him to save the dying man, and his national duty, which required handing his over to the army as a patriot. Both Hana and Sadao finally decided to take the man home, as he was in need of urgent medical attention. Now, finally, they brought him home. Dr. Sadao operated upon him with the help of his wife. They both had to face the protest of the servants as they refused to clean the man and left in protest. So here when Sadao and Hana decided that they should tell the servant also about this man, the young man was very dirty and needed to be washed. So Hana called Yumi, the governess, but she refused to touch the man. The other servants were also frightened at what Sadao had told them. They tried to convince Sadao that he must hand over the enemy to the police. Now, the man starts recovering slowly. One day, Dr. Sadao had to go to see the general. Dr. Sadao, while treating the general, tells him about the American in his house. The general promised to send his personal assassins to quietly kill the American. Okay, now the men start recovering, and one day the messenger had come to inform Sadao that the general needed him. So Hannah was so scared. So by seeing this, Sadao decided to get rid of the young man. He went and told the entire thing to General, who knew that Sadao was very much needed by him. He never trusted other Japanese surgeons. Therefore, instead of taking action against Sadao, he promised that nothing would happen to him. The general then planned to get the American soldier killed by the hired killers. But Sadao does not tell his wife about this plan and keeps on waiting for the assassins for 3 nights, but they do not turn up. Now, by this time, the American has recovered. Now, Dr. Sadao decides to send him to an unguarded island in the sea. He gives him a boat, a torch, lots of food and water, and a flashlight. He instructs him to stay on that island and wait for a Korean boat. He also tells him to signal him 2 flashes if runs out of food before he takes a boat. Now, finally, Sadao planned to get rid of the enemy himself. So, Sadao told the escape plan to Tom. He also warned him that he needed to escape as the news of his presence was not hidden anymore. He arranged a boat, food, drinking water, and clothing for the young man and also gave him his own flashlight. He told Tom that he should flash the light 2 times if he needed something. And even Sadao had told to wait for a Korean ship to take him safely. Now Dr. Sadao is again called by General, and this time he has to be operated. Now Dr. Sadao tells General that the American has escaped. The General keeps quiet all about all this. Finally, Dr. Sadao does not see any flash of light and realizes that the prisoner has escaped safely. The general informed that he had forgotten about the prisoner as he was unwell. He told Sadao not to leak out this information to anybody. Back at home, Sadao was left wondering why he could not kill the young American, though he was his enemy. So here we are completing our chapter, children. I hope you would have understood this chapter. Please go through your text carefully. Thank you.